If you use Microsoft Edge and you want faster access to Copilot, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Show Copilot button in the toolbar in Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you use Copilot often and want it available right from your browser window. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the Edge settings and options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main Edge settings page, where you can control browser appearance, privacy, features, and more. On the left side of the settings screen, find and click Copilot and AI. This section contains the options for Microsoft's AI features inside Edge. Once you're in the Copilot and AI menu, look for the setting that says Show Copilot button in Toolbar. You should see a toggle next to it. All you need to do is switch that toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Edge will add the Copilot button to your browser toolbar, making it much easier to open Copilot whenever you need it. If the button does not appear right away, refresh the browser or close and reopen Edge so the change can take effect. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Copilot button in the toolbar in Microsoft Edge. Now, you can access Copilot faster and make the most of Edge's built-in AI tools. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one.